Hi, I'm Joyl Clance of BizEventz and the Business Journal News Network. And next Thursday, October 22nd, is our 4th annual Excellence in Healthcare Awards. And this is being presented by Bankers Healthcare Group. And we're downtown, well, near downtown in Franklin Square, over at Banker Healthcare Group's offices. And I'm with Scott Brennan, who's going to talk to you a little bit more about our event. Thank you for letting us visit you.
Our pleasure as always. 4th year, we're very happy to be here and participating at this level once again.
Well, we have to acknowledge it has been 4 years. We appreciate the support of helping us to recognize healthcare leaders. And boy, do we have some fantastic honorees. Tell us a little more about yourself and about Bankers Healthcare Group for those who are not familiar with you.
Well, this is my 3rd year here at Bankers Healthcare Group. We're a private equity direct lender exclusively providing commercial working capital, consumer lending products, a suite of MasterCards, and a suite of insurance products for licensed healthcare professionals. We've been in business now for a couple of decades. We're on track this year to provide about $500 million in loans to licensed healthcare professionals nationwide. So we have continued to grow the company at a pace of about 81% over the last 2 years.
Wow, very impressive.
It is. We've outgrown our space here in Syracuse, which is somewhat of an issue, but it's a good problem to have.
Does that mean you're expanding?
We're expanding. We've moved the fitness center, which was downstairs across the parking lot into another building, which has allowed us now to expand the credit card department as well as our collections department.
Wonderful.
We are moving, as of today, our Manhattan office into 6,500 square feet in downtown Manhattan, which is very exciting. So we've grown that area, which is our research and development group, to, I believe now we're up to about 20 people there. And South Florida, we just opened up a brand new building there in South Florida. So today, as we sit here today, we have grown to 247 people in the company.
Wow.
Back in the first quarter of this year, we were acquired. 30% of the company was purchased by a $8 billion company. It's actually a bank called Pinnacle Bank in Nashville, Tennessee, which has brought some great value to the growth of the company. It's allowed us to provide, have more access to capital. So we're very excited about that partnership, and they're very involved in our MasterCards. We have 6 of those now that are exclusively designed for healthcare professionals.
Well, congratulations on that growth. We've sat across from each other a year ago, and you were growing, and you just keep going. So, kudos. You're bringing a lot to the community, a lot to Central New York, as well as the surrounding areas like Manhattan, Florida, etc. But, we're just so happy that you're helping us to recognize these honorees. So let's talk about the event.
Great.
Next Thursday, it's an evening event over at the beautiful lodge at Skinny Atlas, and it is open seating with open bar, live music by Slow Train, as well as the awards program and just outstanding food. And you're going to be there helping to present the awards.
Yes.
How do you feel about that?
Oh, it's a pleasure. It truly is. I really want to try to make this, from our speaking perspective as BHG, more of a celebration of the incredible healthcare professionals in our community. As you know, and the audience may be aware, we do provide our products and services nationwide. We've worked with over 65,000 healthcare professionals across the nation. And to be able to be part of this with your organization, Joyl, is a continued important component to our local give back. We're very philanthropic.
Yes, you are.
We support in each area of where our properties exist, whether it's Manhattan, upstate New York, Syracuse, or South Florida. We're a member of over 20 associations and or healthcare organizations. We're now marketing not only through direct mail, but digitally. We're in a number of publications, yours as well, which we always love to see in the local community.
You're always giving us great stories because you just keep growing.
Well, yeah, YouTube, we're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, we're on LinkedIn. We also now have what we call a 360-degree blog, where we actually have many of our customers writing in white papers and or articles that we can share through the internet, through our website, across our entire landscape.
Well, I'm going to have to check out your blog. We're going to have to do that. And, to come to the event, we need you to register at BizEventz.com, and tickets are still available. Come out next Thursday night. Help us recognize these healthcare leaders. Join Scott and the BHG team and come celebrate with them in person. You don't want to miss it. Any final thoughts?
My final thought would be very similar to Joyl, yours. I think it's great what you've done. You've added some wonderful categories, including a Lifetime Achievement Award, which is going to be absolutely phenomenal for the recognition of the individual that will be the recipient. And we want to continue to be supportive, and we're very pleased to be part of this.
Well, thank you again, Scott, to you and BHG. It'll be a great night next Thursday on October 22nd at the Lodge. We hope to see you there.
Thank you.